Okay, so today we are going to start with a Java project, guys. In today's project, I'm going to explain you about how to design the ATM application. You all have visited at least once the ATM. So how is the flow in ATM? First, we will insert the card. Then we'll check our PIN number, whether it is correct or not. If it is correct, it will give you the choice whether you want to withdraw, deposit, check balance, or you want to change the PIN number. And if you click on withdraw, you can withdraw the amount. If you click on deposit, you can deposit the amount. If you click on check balance, balance will be displayed. And if you click on change PIN, you are able to change the PIN number. So this all the operation, if you want to do in core Java, how to design that application, in today's class, I'm going to explain it. So let us start with the Eclipse. First, I will go to the Eclipse, click a new file, take a Java project. So I'll select as a Java project. And I will give the Java project name is ATM Application. So my project folder will be created, that is the ATM application. In this one, first I will create the class. Right click, create the class. And my application name I will give as ATM app. And we want the main method, so I'm taking the main method. The step number one, first we need to verify the PIN number. So I will take a separate class because I will write all the details in separate class called ATM. Where I will take the int PIN number. I will write void PIN. I will read the PIN number. So I will create the scanner class object also. So let us take scanner s is equals to new scan. Bracket will write system dot. After that, I want to read the PIN number. So I will give a message system dot out dot println, enter the PIN. Now, first, whenever I wrote the PIN number, I need to verify. How to verify? First, PIN is equals to s dot next. So this is my PIN number. I got it. If my PIN number equals to we'll do one thing. Here I will give the PIN number as 5555 is my PIN number, and second I will write PIN PP, nothing but PIN PN I will write. PIN number I am reading. So two things I am taking here. One is because we don't have database, so I am fixing one PIN for myself, that is 5555, and PN I am writing, which is I am reading from the keyboard. So PIN equals to PN. When both are same, so I will proceed further. If both are not same, I will say invalid PIN number. So system.out.println, I will say invalid PIN. Okay. So if it is valid, what to call? So as per the program, you need to display the choice. So what are the choice we are having? So these are the choice: withdraw, deposit, check balance, change the PIN number. But I will not write here that concept. Why? That I will tell you in a minute. First, just I will write a normal message. I will write valid PIN. Just up to now we will verify once valid PIN. Here I will replace the code. How to execute this code? So you have to go to the main. To create the object of ATM, A is equals to new ATM, and just call A dot PIN validation. That's it. Okay. So simple. Let us up to where it is working or not. Let's check it. My PIN number is 5555. Valid PIN means it is working. Now what is my next thing? Sir, if my PIN are valid, I need to give the choice. So either you can write a separate function if you want, or you can write here only. It is your wish. So if you want to write a separate function, you can create one function, or Directly, if you want to write here, you can write here. Let us write here because we don't have much code. So let us write here system.out.println. Select choice. So what are the choice we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4. Choice 1 is what? Withdraw. Writing in capital. Second is deposit. You can write in anything. That is not a problem, guys. Choice 3 is check balance. And choice 4 is change the PIN. So 4 choices are there. If somebody enter, you need to take one more variable called choice. I'm taking CH. I will write here CH is equals to S dot next thing. Means whatever the choice I will enter, that will be stored into the CH. Here I will take the 4 condition. If CH equals to 1, it means you need to call the withdraw. Actually, we have to create the methods, guys. How many methods we need to create? 4 methods. So first, let us write the 4 method. This is my pin number is ending here. So create 4 method. One is void withdraw. Open close. I will write the logic ladder. Void deposit. Open close. Void check balance. And already you know the rules. If 2 names are there, second onwards it is capital. And last change pin number. So, guys, we have created here how many things? 4 things we have created here. So here we are taking the 4th method as void change pin. So total how many methods we have taken? 4. Withdraw, deposit, check balance. I will write the logic later. Suppose if choice is 1, it will call withdraw. You can write 4 if here or L if it is your wish. If CH value is 2, I need to call deposit. And make sure this number should match with your method name. Okay. So deposit I am calling. If it is 3, I need to call check balance. And if it is 4, I need to call change pin. Okay. So what I did, everyone, observe very carefully. I created already this 4 method where change pin, check balance, deposit, and withdraw logic. I will write the logics later. Means if I enter the 1, I need to withdraw. If it is deposit, I need to deposit. If I want to check the balance, I can check the balance 3. And 4 means change the pin number. So initially for my account, I will take the balance. And balance I will take it as 5,000 is my balance. Initial balance is how much? 5,000. Okay. And one variable I will take it amount to read the amount from the user. Let us start with one by one. First, I will, when I click on the 3, it will call which method? Check balance. So let us go to the check balance. Because easiest thing is that I am writing first. Here, just what you have to do, you have to write your current account, current balance is equals to balance. Means if I enter the 3, directly it will ask you, or it will come here and it will print whatever the balance you are having. No condition to be checked, nothing. Easiest format. Okay. Second, if I click on deposit, come to the deposit, you need to write the deposit code. What is the deposit code? System.out.println. Enter the amount to deposit. Means how much amount you want to deposit, that amount you have to enter. And that amount will be added here, guys. Amount is equals to S dot next thing balance. So my balance is initially 5,000. In my balance, I will write balance plus amount. So whatever the amount I entered, that will be added to the balance. I will print on the screen your current balance. Means after adding what is the balance you are having, that will be printed. Your current balance is equals to balance. So this amount will be added. Once again, I am repeating. When we call deposit, first it is reading the amount, how much amount you want to deposit. I said 5,000. So that 5,000 will be added to the balance. Balance is initially 5,000. 5,000 plus 5,000, 10,000. And 10,000 will be printed on the screen. So check balance and deposit got completed. What is the next we are having? Withdraw. When I say withdraw, again it will ask the same thing. Enter the amount to withdraw. Enter the amount to withdraw means how much amount you want to withdraw. Let us say I said 10,000. So my 10,000 will be coming amount, but do we have 10,000? Answer is no. How to check? If amount is less than or equals to balance, then only you can withdraw. If I enter 1,000 and balance is 5,000, means can I withdraw? Yes. Then you have to write balance is equals to balance minus amount, whatever the amount is there. And you have to print the message called whatever the balance you have. Okay. But if I told 10,000 to withdraw, but amount is how much? 5,000. So that time you have to write insufficient balance. Right? Insufficient balance. Okay. So withdrawal is completed, deposit is completed, check balance. Last, change the PIN number. In the PIN number, nothing. You will just ask the new PIN number. Enter the new PIN. Whatever the PIN user is given, you change with PIN number. That's it. I will give a message. PIN number updated. PIN number updated. After updated, again you should read the PIN number. So we are calling PIN method. Observe very carefully what I am doing, guys. If my PIN number is updated, PIN number again means what? Your transaction will start again from here. Again, it will ask the PIN number and the process will change. But now this time, new PIN number will be applicable here. You want to see it? Just check it. It is asking PIN number. I am giving 5555. It is my old PIN. I want to change the PIN number. I am giving 4. Enter the new PIN. I am writing 1111. PIN number updated. Now I am giving 5555. It will say invalid PIN. Why? Because PIN number got changed. Okay. I want to do one more thing, sir. If my PIN number is wrong, it should not stop. Right now, program is stopped. If PIN number is wrong, it should not stop. It should call. It should ask me again PIN number. So that write PIN method means if PIN number is invalid, again PIN number it will ask. Check it now. Previously it was stopping. Now it will not stop until you will correct it. 5555. Choice 4. Change the PIN number 1111. Now I gave wrong PIN. Invalid. Even 5555 not accept. So what is my new PIN? 11. Until you not give correct PIN, it will repeat like this. It is clear. Now I want to withdraw the deposit the amount. How much amount? 1,000. So your current balance 6,000. Actually, after current balance, my program got stopped. But what if I want to repeat? Again, it should ask, do you want to continue? So if you want that process, then you have to write one more stuff. Where you have to write that? Before the else, after this 4 condition. What you will write here? You write system.out.println. You want press 1 to continue. Press 1 to continue. Means if somebody enter the 1, so ch is equals to s dot next one. If the user enter 1, if ch equals to 1, again we will call what? PIN number, and again your whole process will repeat. Now your complete application is done. Check it now. Enter the PIN number 5555. Withdraw the amount. How much? 1,000 rupees. See, balance is updated. Press 1 to continue. I want to continue. Yes. Enter the PIN. Again, it is asking. Deposit. Now I want to deposit 10,000. Updated balance 14,000. Do you want to continue? Yes. Change PIN number. Check balance. I want to check the balance. Do you want to continue? Yes. Change PIN number. Now I am changing the PIN number. 1, 2, 3, 4. PIN updated. Now see 5555 will not work. Now it will work with 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay. Now I can do whatever I want. So is it working like same application? And now if you don't want to continue, just press the 2. The program will stop. Not stopping. It means somewhere. Okay. Here one more condition guys. If okay, here let me just cross check it what we have done wrong here. I press 1 to continue. I entered 2, but again it is asking me press 1 to continue. So it means what? Else part we need to do it here. Else bracket I have to write. Else, thanks for using my app. Thanks for using my app. Right? We try with first one only. Only if else I added nothing here. I give 3. Do you want to continue? No, 2. Thanks for using it. So if else you write there, rest of the things are same. So I hope everybody is clear. Once again, if you want complete flow, observe very carefully. The programming start from main. I'm calling the pin method. Pin method will come inside this one. If my pin is valid, it will show me 4 choice. If I say 1, it will call withdraw logic. 2 means deposit, 3 means balance, and 4 means check pin. If I entered 1, it will come to withdraw. It will ask the amount and balance will be deducted. If I say deposit, balance will read and amount will be added. If I say check balance, balance will be printed. And if I say change pin, pin number will be printed on the screen. So like this, the whole process of application, we can do it by using this one. So I hope everyone is clear. Please do this project today. Tomorrow's class, I will explain you the next project. Okay, thank you then.